everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today, nope, we're not doing nothing with the Mustang. Today we finally have some Camaro content. I know. We've been lacking on the Camaro content, but we need to do something more with this car. So this car is gonna get ready for a decent change. We're gonna change the color. So we gotta get it prepped, ready for the color change. So we got the pressure washer out. Yep, I don't do no electric pressure washer. We got the kind that annoys all the neighbors and burns fossil fuels. So it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a lot of work, but you know, the wifey, I don't know, I guess she got a little jealous with the car being on with the different color and stuff. But I like the color. You guys are really gonna like the color on that Camaro though. We're really gonna like the color. So we're just gonna get started, and should be a lot of fun. But damn, it's gonna be a lot of work. Alright guys, so she's all cleaned up, so car needs to sit outside for the rest of the day. I need to make sure she's 100% dry before we start the process, so we're not going to start this till tomorrow. It's a little cloudy, it's a little cold here in Florida today, so hopefully it warms up tomorrow for what we need to do to this car.
So I know Marty recently added some vinyl wrap to his. You guys saw that. Some of you loved it, some of you hated it. I like it a lot. But for my car, I liked his dip that we did to his car so much, and the durability of it, and how inexpensive it was to actually put it on the car, that I have now decided to do a particular dip your car specific color to my car. So Marty went ahead and washed it for me yesterday with the special pre-wash, and we started the prep today with the wrapping everything off and covering. Essentially, as we've said in one of our previous videos, anything that you want to keep the particular color that it already is, you need to tape it off and be pretty specific, pretty kind of OCD about how clean your lines are, so that when you pull it off, you don't have any touch-ups to do. There's no ragged edges or anything like that. So we've gone through this morning and done enough, or we've done as much as we can do this morning. We can't do any more because the temperature outside, even though we're in Central Florida, temperature outside is a little too low. We're mid 40s, maybe 50 this morning. So we have to wait for the temperature to get to the ideal temperature to paint with the Plasti Dip, with the Dip Your Car Plasti Dip, which is about 65 to 70 degrees ambient temperature, and we're not even close to that today. So we have gotten as much done as we can get done. We'll finish up the rest in the morning while we wait on the temperature to get where it needs to be. It's definitely not anything typical. There are some Camaros out there in this particular color, and I absolutely love them. So it's not a very common color, but like I said, I'm definitely not going to be the first. I absolutely love it though, so I don't really care if it looks like I'm copying someone. I don't care. It's what makes me happy. So I hope it turns out the way that it's supposed to. We'll see. Alright guys, so we got the car all taped up, everything you know, covered up that we don't want changed to the new color. And Marty and I are fixing to wipe the car down with the pre-wash. Just kidding. The dip spray, pre-dip spray. Let me show you. We're about to wipe down the car with the pre-dip spray, which is the very last thing you do before you spray. So we're gonna go up, change our clothes, wipe the car down, and we'll be ready to close the garage most of the way, get our masks on, and spray. This is just the black and blue base. We have to put 4 coats of black and blue base onto the car before we can put the real color on top. The real color will be in the pearls that we put on top.
Goddamn purple.
Ooh, that's really purple.
Yeah, it is. Oh, yeah. This is what, 25 grams?
Yeah. They're really purple. So
done yet, but I just wanted to show you guys if you can see it. It's got a very fine little sparkle in there. I just wanted to show you now because the sun's hitting it right on it. But so far, I freaking love it. What do you think, babe?
It's purple. I like it. Now we have a purple Camaro and a baby blue Mustang. Hey.
so the car's all done, and as you can see, it's plum crazy purple. It's a dip your car color. Put 4 coats of the black and blue base as the obviously base coat, and then we put 2 coats of the plum crazy 25 grams in 1 gallon of the high gloss top coat. So we put 2 coats of that, and then we put a final top coat of just the high gloss top coat. Marty wishes we had stopped at just the 2 coats of the plum crazy pearl in the high gloss. It's got a little bit of an orange peel effect to it at the moment. I love it. It's a dipped car. It's not a painted car, so I absolutely love it. So I've got a couple little areas to touch up, and I'll show you guys those. These are the little areas that I have to fix. They're very small. And all I'm going to do is get a little fine paintbrush and kind of dab it on there. I have some left over that I saved just in case I need to do any repairs. There's another little teeny tiny one there. I think that's about it though. I got to put the wicker bill back on. That'll be simple, and I got to put my tag back on, of course. So, but that's it. That's it. I love it. Oh, this is a new addition I got also. Right there. So, anyway, I'm happy. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give us a like, give us a subscribe, and comment. Tell me what you think about the purple. I absolutely love it. Marty is a fan of the purple. He just doesn't like the final texture that the plain gloss as a final touch gave the car. So, anyway, I love it. I'm extremely happy, and it's been a long day. So, hope you guys like it. Like I said, give us a like, give us a subscribe if you haven't already, and obviously down in the comments, tell me what you think about it.